Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if this content is for you. Today we're going to do a makeup look for New Year's. Not a real gaudy one, I don't think. One of my friends suggested it. They're doing their New Year's Eve party all in pink. So she was like, if you want to come, wear pink makeup. And I don't have anything pink, so that's why I have this gray sweater on and the pink headband. I don't normally wear pink. I usually wear blacks, grays, blues, darker colors. Yeah, so my hair's being crazy today. I hope you guys all had a good holiday and that Santa was good to you. We had a pretty good holiday and we had a nice storm, hence the not being able to upload during, right, right before Christmas when I said no videos this week. I got really busy, and the ice storm kind of put a little damper on the internet service and electricity and, just traveling and all that. So anyway, we're going to go and do a pink look, which is a little out of my comfort zone. I don't normally wear pink anything. So we're going to use, since this is what I have the Jeffree Star Pink Religion palette. And I have never used it. So we're going to try to make a not too crazy pink look, but a pink look all the same. So anyway, I did my foundation. I did Simply Ageless Primer, Simply Ageless Foundation in Honey, Simply Ageless Concealer in light medium. I also put concealer on my eyelids because I'm out of eyelid primer. And that's the Simply Ageless. And then I put a little bit of setting powder on it because, I don't know, the weather's weird. We went from -8 was one of our highs over the Christmas holidays. And with a wind chill factor below 20, -20 degrees, which was crazy. And today it's 54. So there's that, crazy ass weather. All right, so let's get started. Anyway, I think that's all. Oh, I contoured with e.l.f. Contour palette, and blush is e.l.f. blush. So, ooh, these are bright. Okay, we're going to go in with... Oh, this is written different. Saint Star. And I'm going to go all over the lid with that. That's the lightest pink in here. I think I'm going to put that down. A lot of kickback. I've never used this palette before, so I'm going to go all over the lid. It's not really showing up. Well, there you go. I don't want it to be too gaudy. So I'm doing this practice run. I don't go out on New Year's, but if I would. Okay, I don't know what that was. Okay, so... Right, in regular light, that's showing up really well. Almost has like a purplish hue to it, which is fine because I have a little bit of blue and purple mixed up in the headband. Alright, so on the outer, I don't know. I just don't know. I don't normally wear pink. Okay. I'm going to go in with Lollipop Luxury I need a smaller brush for that. It's so bright. I'm freaking out. Okay. It's going to be okay. I can do this. I can wear pink. Alright. Lollipop Luxury. I'm going to go in on the inner corner and drag it up into the crease. About a third. I don't know how well you guys are seeing that. I'm just going to drag it up like that. Like diagonal. Okay. Wow, that's really bright. Okay. It's okay. I'm using a small flat brush. There's no numbers on these. I got them for Christmas last year. They were from Amazon. I don't remember the name of them. This is going on really nice. I mean, looks pretty. Okay, so I want to go... Oh, this palette's so bright. Trying to look for something pink without the purple, but the darker colors seem to have like purple hue in that one. The Dollhouse Lane, or LN, whatever that is, it just seems like, I don't know, not deep enough, you know what I mean? Alright, so we'll go in with Fashion Faith. Now this has a little bit more of a purple hue. It is pretty though. I'm going to drag that. I will blend this. Okay. What did I say that was? I don't remember what I dipped into. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. Fashion. Oh, Fashion Faith. I'm going to bring that. Let me see. Bring that in just like that. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can get the other side to match, which usually never happens. Oh, my fault. Me and my wrinkled eyes. Yeah, all in all, we had a great holiday. Fortunately, you know, with a little bit of the weather weirdness. My grandson was supposed to come in. My oldest grandson's in the Army. And he was supposed to go to his fiance's house, parents' house. And then they were going to leave from there and come here. But, you know, ice storm. Why does that not look the same? Anyway, ice storm ruined that. But it's okay. My daughter-in-law and son are going out there today to meet up with them. Anyway, it would have been nice to see them, but it's okay. I mean, can't control the weather, right? Alright, let me get a blending brush. So other than that, everything went pretty nice. Went off without a hitch. My mom is German and Russian. My mother was born in Germany. So we do our Christmas celebration on Christmas Eve. We've always done that. And so what we do is I do a big party. Let me turn my phone off because God forbid. Um I do a party for my grandkids. We have Christmas Eve brunch, and then we exchange gifts with my children and my grandchildren. And we do that at about 11:30, 12 o'clock, and they're here like 1:32. And then right after they leave, we pop the ham in the oven. We make like a brunch. We did ham and baked macaroni and cheese, some peanut butter pie, and then usually my brother and his wife come over and we exchange our gifts, and I let my daughter Heidi open her gifts for me and her and my husband, and we all open up our gifts after dinner. So everything went really well except for my brother and his wife couldn't make it because they're ill, but they're coming for New Year's Eve dinner, which we do pork and sauerkraut. And that I'm going to go back in with that Saint Star, and I'm just going to go right there as like a little base. Okay, where'd that blending brush go? Yeah, so a couple little mishaps, and I don't know if you guys know. I'm sure I've talked about it before. I have a handicapped child. She's 39, and she's mentally handicapped. So mentally, I mean, she ranges from the age of 4 to about 11, depending on the situation. Anyway, it was very hard to make her understand why Uncle Ron wasn't coming. Oh, I'm going in with Frosting Cult in the middle. Ooh, okay. Wow, that's really nice. I really like that. Anyway, she cried a little bit because she doesn't understand. She's used to my brother coming every Christmas Eve. Like, she's used to the routine. She gets used to it. She knows what's going on by the commercials on TV. So she's totally aware it's Christmas time. She knows dates, stuff like that. I mean, she's advanced enough to know that. It was hard to make her understand why Uncle Ronnie and Aunt Mary weren't coming. Because at first she thought they were mad at her. Let me do a little more of that. That's called Frosting Cult. It's really pretty. Blend that a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with Candy Cathedral on top of that. Ooh, nice. I don't really like pink, but whatever. I think it's just the lighting that side. Oh, there we go. That's pretty. Okay. So, let me wipe. Oh, I forgot my wipes. Anyway, that was that. But besides that, we had a good time. She gets so excited for Christmas that she can barely sleep. It's so cute. I mean, looking at Christmas through her eyes, even after 39 years, it's just magical. She still believes in Santa. I'm going in with Princess Crown for the inner corner. She still believes in Santa Claus, and I just think that's great. It is, it's cute. She's such a cutie anyway. Such a sweetheart. The best kid. Let me see. I need a little angle brush. Why can I not find one? Because I'm blind. What are we at? 16 minutes. Sorry, guys. Trying to keep this short. Alright, I think I'm going to go under with Pink Religion. I want to try that color. Kind of has a little purple hue. I'm going to go under the lash line. I was so upset with not being able to, because I've been trying to maintain and keep this schedule. Okay, I like that. Alright, I'm going to put some eyeliner on and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is my pink New Year's Eve look. I went in with BH Cosmetics Power Pencil and Shimmer Pearl on my waterline. I did my eyelashes with e.l.f. e.l.f. mascara in black. I don't know. It's Lash It Loud. And on my lips, I did the Animal Crossing by ColourPop Cherry Cherry. It's just a little like lippy lip gloss. It's cute. Alright, and that's it. That is my pink New Year's Eve look. Like I said before, I'm not really comfortable wearing pink, but it's all good. And, I'd have to buy something to go with it and something to do with my hair. My crazy ass hair, as you can see, I don't know what's going on with it today. I washed it this morning and this is how it dried out. So that's it. Okay, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And I hope you're having a great week. Please be kind to everyone. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.